Placing UV seams by hand is easily one of the most tedious parts of 3D modeling. It is fussy, time-consuming, and if you get it wrong, your textures end up stretched and distorted. Unwrap Me by Shift A Technologies is the most powerful automatic seam generator for Blender. It is built on months of computer vision research to solve the problems that standard unwrappers just can't handle. This isn't just a smart project clone. Unwrap Me uses a unique algorithm that lets you seam an entire mesh or grow seams around specific face selections for total control. It intelligently limits stretch error, resulting in low distortion maps that are ready for professional texturing. It even handles complex CAD models and meshes with bad topology that usually break other tools. Plus, it includes an edge walk operator to quickly zip seams along edge loops. Pro tip: it's optimized for Blender LTS versions all the way up to 5.0. Just keep in mind that it currently supports Windows and Linux, while a Mac version is still in the R&D phase. For a one-time payment, you get lifetime updates, and you're helping fund independent Blender research. If you're ready to stop fighting with UVs, click the link below and let Unwrap Me do the heavy lifting.